everyone. So I need to talk really quickly because I'm in a massive rush because I need to go to Sainsbury's because I don't have any food in the house to make these TikTok recipes, and this lighting's making it look like I have a massive moustache when I don't. I just have a little one. Wow, that's bad. I need to wax that. It's just the fake tan sticks to the hair. Anyway, regardless, today we are going to be following TikTok recipes for the whole day. Not one recipe, not two recipes, maybe 3+ recipes. Who knows? There's a few TikTok things that I want to try out, have a little go at, and I thought, why not do it on YouTube? Now I have to be really quick because Julie wants to walk the dogs and I don't drive, and I need to take them to Sainsbury's because there's no food in the house. So you guys are coming with me to Sainsbury's to get some food for the house. I might wax my mustache first because I don't want to leave the house looking like this. So let's do that first. Wax time, baby girl. Baby girl, what's your name? Oh crap, these are sticky. This is gonna pull off all the fake tan. 3, 2, 1. Clean moustache. Let's go to Sainsbury's. Way. We have arrived at the old Sainsbury's, and there's actually not a very big queue, which is lovely. We have just left Sainsbury's. We did some damage. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. But yeah, we've just left, and I hate the audio when it's outside because I know for a fact this is all gonna sound like crap when I edit it. But I'm gonna give you a little Sainsbury's haul when I get home, let you know what I bought, and we're gonna see what TikTok recipes we can make out of it. So, oh, I forgot cinnamon. Hello, we're back. We went to Sainsbury's and bought some ingredients. I forgot cinnamon though, which is a bit disappointing, but I guess we can replace cinnamon with like vanilla or something. Oh, I forgot cinnamon. But the first thing that I wanna make, because it's like 12 o'clock and I never get that hungry at this like kind of time, I'm just gonna make some like homemade tortilla chips because I've seen this done on TikTok, as the title of the video says. I've never done it myself, so let's go. Where the hell did I put the tortillas? So I'm gonna stand you up in the fruit basket because that sounds like a good idea in my head. Oh, brilliant idea. You can see everything. Wow. That was one of the better ideas I've had actually. I think I'm gonna grab a pan like this, you know, the normal regular pan. Put it on the heat. We're gonna turn the heat on, right? That's the most important part, is turning it on. Ding, ding, ding. So I'm gonna stack 2 tortillas on top of each other. These look too big. I don't want tortilla chips that big. Oh well. Whoopsie daisy. Let's just go with it. It looks like these tortilla chips are all gonna be different sizes, but that's their charm. No 2 tortilla chips are the same. Originality. Wait, I need to change the angle. Maybe the fruit wasn't the best idea I've had actually. So let's just plonk, plonk. Maybe a bit too much oil. So I'm gonna do them in 2 lots, I think. And apparently you have to wait just until they're golden brown. Get golden. If anyone wants to know, my favorite tortilla chips are the Whole Foods tortilla chip. Amazing. Hopefully we can recreate those here. Now you just get a really close-up shot of the maple syrup for some reason. Why do you build me a buttercup, baby, just to mess me around? Oh, they're getting golden, baby, too. Let's just put them on here. Okay, so now's the second round. Should I vlog it a bit more so you guys can actually see? So we plonk them in like you do. These are bigger, wow. Chunky tortillas. We like them big. We like them chunky. We like them round. We like them funky. They don't all fit, but I don't want to do 3 rounds. So let's make them fit, little bitch. You a clown. I'm a bit of a clown, these don't fit. Okay, we'll just go with it. Let's vlog this so you guys can see what I'm doing. Go like this and we flip them over, and then they brown and they turn into tortillas. Am I still filming? Oh crap, I am. So here are they all done. That's the leftover oil, and we're gonna turn it off. And then the TikTok said to sprinkle them with salt as soon as they come out the pan. Oh, you're not even seeing. Gotta get that flavor. I'm impressed with myself. So this one's a bit burnt, but I'm contemplating making guacamole because I have guacamole in the fridge, but I guess I'm not allowed to use that. I can't lie, I've just looked at TikTok recipes for guacamole. They all involve tomatoes, and I guess if tomatoes in something without me knowing it's in something, I can eat it, but I'm fussy, okay? I don't like tomatoes. It's whatever. I'm just gonna eat these plain. We'll see what next recipe we have, you know? Bye. It is 1:30 and I'm getting pretty hungry, so I think it's 2:30 actually. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm making more food. This is the recipe that I'm following. I'm gonna put it in the clip now. It's from the internet chef, and I've already cut and washed my potatoes, but I didn't cut them really in the right shape, but I hope it'll be okay. Let's put loads of olive oil on them, so that's what we're gonna do. I actually like garlic oil, so I'm going rogue here. But the more of this you put, the crispier it will get, so I want loads of olive oil. Here is my baking tray. It's beautiful, right? Okay, so we've done that. We need some salt, pep. So I'm gonna use this garlic salt. I used it before. I got it from Sainsbury's today because in one of the other recipes that we're gonna be using, he says chicken salt, and I was looking for chicken salt. I don't know if it's like an Australian thing for this recipe. The guy's Australian. Am I the only one who's never heard of chicken salt? Some of this on. I like garlic and I like salt, so we're gonna go in with that. A little bit extra salt because we want them salty. We don't want to have to extra salt them, like, you know, I love salt. Anyway, so we're gonna just go in with some garlic granules. I like paprika as well. Apparently that's what makes curly fries so nice, because they put paprika on them. What's this? Pepper. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. This is like my least favorite part of doing anything, is like when you have to like massage stuff in. It's gross. It's worse when it's with like chicken though. I think I want more seasoning on there. I want like some like thyme or something. Ugh, look at my hands. Gross, gross, gross. Let's put some oregano on it because why not, right? Sorry about this awful angle as well. So let's move you guys over here. I have a tripod. Why am I not using that? Lord knows. Here are our potatoes and we're just gonna... I don't want to touch them again. So these need to go in for 40 minutes. So I'm gonna whack these in. So now let's get started on the chicken. So I bought pre-diced chicken because it's easier. So the next recipe is for McDonald's chicken nuggets. And if you guys know me, sorry, I'm at the fridge getting this stuff out. So if you know me, you know how much I love chicken nuggets. Turn out well. I bought pre-diced chicken breasts so I don't have to like rub the chicken as much. I hate rubbing chicken. And I saved the oil from the tortilla chips that we used earlier because like eco-friendly, you don't want to waste all that oil. And I asked Julie if it was unhygienic or not and she said it was plenty hygienic. So this dude says you need chicken salt. Now I ain't got no chicken salt. So he says to use flour, but I'm gonna use a secret ingredient, which is this original chicken fry mix. And I hope this has like chicken salt in it because like it's chicken fry. So like if chicken salt is a thing, then it should be in here. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna put some chicken fry mix in a bowl. It smells good. And then he said to add like paprika and stuff like that. So I'm gonna add like that stuff that I have into the chicken fry mix. So like this is this garlic salt instead of chicken salt because we ain't got no chicken salt in it. So we got that little bit of garlic. I love garlic. Salt and peps. Now I am bent over like a hunchback because this angle's a bit awkward for me, I can't lie, but it's better than the last one. So, and then in the other bowl you need 2 eggs. Now I use happy eggs because they're happy. You know what I asked my dad the other day? Well, I was just asking myself and then my dad sort of answered my question. But so I asked my dad the other day, I went, why are we like 100 times the size of a chicken, but chicken eggs are like 1,000 times the size of one of our eggs? Like that's weird, right? The chicken egg, like think about how small a chicken is. This is just the egg, like this is their period. All I'm saying is thank God I'm not chicken. So 1 egg crack. Apparently you need to combine 2 eggs. I am pretty good at cracking eggs if you ask me. Not a single bit of shell in there. Some milk. I don't think they gave the measurements of the milk, which is why I just eyed it based on how much scrambled egg. Oh, 1/2 cup of milk. Oops, but we've done it now. I need some paprika. Got diced chicken breast, but I don't know if it's small enough diced. I really hope it is because I hate touching raw chicken. Oh, what is that? I think that's raw egg on the side of the raw chicken. Yeah, I really hate touching raw chicken. Oh, they're a bit big for nuggets. Right, I'm gonna have to cut these. Give me a minute, I'm gonna cut the chicken and come back. So we're gonna turn the pan on now. I'm gonna get this chicken in a bowl. Okay, so you put it in the flour and then the egg, I think is what he said. So flour, coat it, fun, egg, coat it, fun. And he said you do this 3 times, so that's twice. Oh, my fingers. See, I hate doing this so much. Ooey. Oh, look at this. Let's get a close-up shot. Oh, gross. Okay, I think that oil's probably heated up now. That's the last nugget that we're gonna do today. I think I probably want it on quite like a medium-low heat so it cooks the whole way through. I don't want no raw chicken here. I've got a lot of diced chicken left over, so that's how much diced chicken we had. Ignore the mess. And this is how many nuggets we got out of it. But it's just because I'm a bit of a girl, not a girl, girls can like getting their hands dirty, but a bit of a girly girl, I guess, and I don't really like the whole rim side of this. So this is what they're looking like anyway, like around 3 minutes on each side. Yeah, let's just wait for that to cook, and then I'll give you the taste test. So that's the best part, I think, isn't it? So I'm just gonna wait, and then yeah, my chicken nuggets finished. Now they don't look like McDonald's nugget, but they look quite nice. I had to check that this one was cooked through to see if the rest of them were cooked through. So they're really good. I'm gonna need some more deliberation. I don't think they taste like McDonald's chicken nuggets. And I think that's a false claim to say they taste like McDonald's chicken nuggets, if I'm being honest with you. I think I had my temperature a bit high because they got a little bit too golden brown. I'm gonna turn over my fries now, see how those are looking. Oh, these are looking yummy. For a turn. So these have got like 10 more minutes left. They've been cooking for like 30 minutes. Yeah, I think because these are so thin, when you try and turn them, they kind of fall apart a bit. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave them because when you try and turn them, they kind of fall apart a bit. But these are what they're looking like. They look really good actually. So I'm gonna put them in for 10 more minutes. Tastes good too. Just to let them crisp up a little. I'm gonna turn the temperature up just a little bit more as well. So 10 minutes. I'm gonna put the temperature up to I don't know, 240 maybe. I'm just going to finish off my chicken nuggets now because these are actually really good. Okay, these are actually so good. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the fries to come out, or potatoes or whatever, and give you a taste test to those as well when they come out, so bye. I'm just gonna take the fries out now. It's still got 5 minutes on the timer, but they look pretty golden brown if you ask me, so yummy. I finished off my chicken nuggets, and I do have to say, they were amazing. Kind of wish I made more, but also I feel like it would have ruined them if I made any more, so I think I made about the right amount. Here are the potatoes. They were supposed to all come out like fries, but I cut some of them a bit weird, so yummy. They're actually pretty good, to be fair. I kind of wish they were a bit crispier, but that's probably my fault. I probably didn't do it quite right. Haven't done any of these quite right. I'm gonna get some barbecue sauce to go with it because this is my favorite barbecue sauce, if anyone is wondering. It's called Stubbs Sticky Sweet Legendary Barbecue Sauce. And it's so good. I got it from Whole Foods, and I put it in a ramekin because I don't trust people who like put the sauce in the same bowl as like the chips, or like, you know those people, I mean, I don't like ketchup, so I'm probably biased, but you know those people that like just squeeze ketchup all over the chips rather than just putting it in a nice little blob on the end. I'm gonna go eat these. Bye. Say hi. Lick the lens. Ooh. Okay guys, so for dinner I'm making a breakfast quesadilla, which might sound backwards, but I've seen this like all over TikTok like a couple months ago, so I thought this would be like one of the good ones to do because it like actually went viral. So let's go. Like, I don't really care about breakfast dinner foods, like let's be real, if I could have chicken for breakfast I probably would. So I'm gonna grab the eggs and we're just gonna start whisking. I actually know I should cook the bacon first. Yeah, I'm gonna cook the bacon first. You can never have too much bacon in my opinion. It makes everything better. I put like so much bacon in like mac and cheese and any pasta that I make because, so I'm gonna cook that on a low temperature so like bacon fat like melts kind of, I don't know. I'm making it sound like I know what I'm saying, but I don't. Put the bacon away because we're done with that now. And we're gonna crack 2 eggs. Once again, happy eggs. You gotta make sure that the eggs are happy. And I put milk in my scrum. Semi-skimmed British farm, we know and trust, M&S Select. We pledge to pay our M&S Select farmers a fair price for their milk. Will work. I'm gonna flip them with this. That bacon is going. Now we're gonna start seasoning our eggs. So we're gonna put pepper in there. I am following your TikTok recipe, but I'm making it sound like I'm making it my own because creativity. I think I've talked about the salt so much, but it's the Profusion Himalayan Rose Pink Crystal Salt Fine. It might just be pink, which is why I like it. I like anything that's pink, but seasoned egg. Yeah, you don't want plain egg. That's where your egg really gets let down. And I feel like you need a lot more salt than you think in egg because also if it's in a quesadilla, we don't get time to add more salt after. So I'm gonna start doing the egg now because the bacon has cooked on one side. I'm gonna add some butter. Oh crap, my bacon. Okay, it's all good guys. The bacon's not burnt. Oh, maybe it is. Okay, so the bacon's done. I'm gonna take it off. So there's the bacon, one that I took a little bite out of. And here's my egg. See, there's the little white parts that I wanted to get out, but you know, you win some, you lose some. Some may call me a chef. I'm doing the splits, crap, I can't get up. So you place the tortilla over the egg. You've got the egg over here and the tortilla over there, the egg on the tortilla. So sometimes it's hard. I didn't know flipping an egg was like, you can flip a pancake. Obviously, I've made it worse, guys. I've made it worse. Okay, we're just gonna put that on. We're just gonna put the tortilla back on. We're just gonna have to try and flip it now. This didn't work. TikTok, you failed me. So this is what we're working with. She tasty. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And that's with me getting the flip wrong. Imagine if you get the flip right. This thing must taste like really good. I'm gonna eat this now. because eating on camera isn't really cute, so bye. Guys, I forgot the cheese. But I finished it, it was still yummy. I guess it still worked out.